Welcome to the session of Algebra for Beginners Part 2. So today we are going to learn associative property of addition. So in that, if we have three variables a plus b plus c, if we are going to add a plus b together and then add c, the answer we will get will be similar to if we add a to the sum of b and c. Let's see how it is done. So whenever we write parentheses, the answer will be same in addition. So the order of addition will not matter and the answer will be same. So let's see it by example. So we have three variables or three numbers 8, 4 and 6. So first we will add 8 and 4 and then we will add 6 to it. And the second right hand side or the second question says that you have 8 and then you will add 4 plus 6. Will the answer be same? Let's see. So if we add 8 plus 4, the answer is, what is the answer? 12. Then we will add 6 and moving on to the right hand side, 8 plus, what is 4 plus 6? We have to do it fast, right? 10. Now next step would be 12 plus 6. So what is 12 plus 6? It's 18. And then 8 plus 10 is 18. So for the best results, instead of just looking at the video, desirable is bring a paper and pen and start from the first slide, and as soon as the question comes, pause the slide and try to do it yourself. Now we are doing associative property of multiplication. So we have two variables a times b, they are in the parentheses and we are multiplying it with c. Is it equal to a times b into c? So let's see. We can also write a into b as a dot b. Why? Because sometimes we will be using x also as a variable and then it becomes very confusing for us to find is it x or is it multiply. So the associative property of multiplication says a times b, if we will multiply it with a c variable, then it is equal to if we multiply a with b and c together. So we have an example, 4 times 5, if we multiply it with 7, is equal to 4 multiplied by 5 times 7. So let's check with this example. So 4 times 5 is 20 and we have to multiply it with 7, and then 4 we have to multiply with 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is, what is the answer? 35. So if you are looking for the answer in the tables or in your iPhone, then for good marks we will have to remember the tables, multiplication tables or counting by. We will be taking that up also. If you want, you can write it in comments and we will do that also. So moving on, 20 times 7 is 140 and 4 times 35 is 140. So associative property of multiplication says that even if you multiply any of the two numbers and then multiply it with the next number, it doesn't matter. The answer will be correct. So whenever we write parentheses, the answer will be same in multiplication. Doesn't matter the place of the parentheses. So let's take an example. 7 times 2 times 5 is equal to 7 times 2 times 5. So 7 times 2 is what? 14. Then we will write times with the 5 equals 7 times 2 5s are 10, and then 14 5s are 70. And if we are trying to do 14 times 5 with the pencil on the side, on the rough work column, we can do it in our head too. 14 is what? 10 and plus 4. 10 times 5 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. 50 plus 20 is 70. And next, moving on, equals 7 times 10, 70. So commutative property of addition. Changing the order of the numbers does not change the sum. So in addition, if we are changing the order of numbers, first we are taking A or B, doesn't matter. So A plus B equals B plus A. The result would be the same. So let's check. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls, and then we add 1, 2, 3 balls, the answer would be 7. So if we have 3 balls and we add 4 balls to it, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, answer would be 7. So even if we are changing the order, in addition, it doesn't matter. The answer will be same. And this is called as commutative property of addition. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. So these properties are also very important when we will be doing our equations. Now, commutative property of multiplication. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 balls. Then if we multiply 3 balls with the 4 balls, how many balls we will have? 3 times 4 is 12. Or if we do it in the reverse, 4 times 3, the answer would be same, 12. So 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3. So the commutative property of multiplication says that when we multiply variable A with the B, it would be equal to B times A. Thank you. You can leave your comments in the comments below.